Hi, my name is Ida and I'm a junior double majoring in business and psychology. I have used OneSearch in a variety of my classes, including FWIS for my final project and in Psych 340 for my research proposal and paper. I liked using OneSearch because it was easy to use to find resources that the library offers, such as books and journal articles. Everything was in one place and really convenient to use.
Hi, I'm Oriana. I'm a sophomore majoring in neuroscience. I have used OneSearch to complete research essays for my FWIS class, as well as to check out books to read in my free time. To find Fondren Library's materials, we start at the library homepage, library.rice.edu. The OneSearch search bar lets you find books, articles, films, music, historical materials, and more.
In this example, I will be looking for psychology research on the value of goal setting in your career. I will first enter the keywords goal setting career into the search bar.
Remember to sign in when you use OneSearch.
Now I can access my library account, search history, and my favorites on the upper right.
Books, articles, and other resources will be combined in your search results. You can use the facets on the left side of the page to narrow results by material type.
I'll select articles. I'll also narrow by date.
Getting full text for article is easy.
Download PDF and read article give one-click access to the full text. If these options are not available, then the Available Online button shows more options to access the full-length article. Now, I'm able to read the article and learn more about my research topic.
Now let's try to find a book on OneSearch. If you know the book you're looking for, you can just enter its title and author keywords into OneSearch.
For example, let's try to find the book called The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. I will use the title and author keywords in my search. The first result that appears is available.
If you want to retrieve the physical book, you need two pieces of information. One is Map It tool. The other is the call number. Click on Map It. This map will direct you to the correct library floor and the book's exact shelf.
For this book, it's on the second floor, range 583. We will be heading there. I will scan the QR code in OneSearch to access the map and call number on my phone while I'm on the go.
This is the call number. A sign on each shelf gives the shelf's call number range. Now we are in the PS 3511 range.
Once we've found the PS 3511, we look for the rest of the numbers and digits one at a time, starting with the I9s, then the I9Gs, and finally the I9G7s. The 2007 at the end is the year of publication.
Start searching now at library.rice.edu or continue watching to learn more about OneSearch and the library's amazing resources.